April 1st, a new month, a new week starting today, and just a quick market update on the cryptos. Bitcoin, this is a candle chart on a 1 week, still looking with a pretty small volume, pretty small interest, but I think, as I've mentioned before, I think we're going to start picking up steam here. So the candles are still very small, and I'm expecting something stronger to develop here. Hopefully it's to the top side, but that's what the smaller time frames show. But let's see what happens. All right, so let's go to a 6 hour chart. We are still monitoring this wave one, wave two, and then we are in the progress of making this wave three to the top side. Bitcoin has passed this level here, and we've made a marginally new high here at 41.66 or 44.70, depending on the platform. But basically, we have wave two in an ABC, and then I think we're having a leading diagonal here in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by an ABC down in wave two. And then we have a wave one with 5 waves impulse in it, and then this wave two, a little bit concerning, but it was a very small pullback, just in a 382 retracement. Nothing more than that. I was expecting a little bit more of a pullback, but usually when you only have such a minor pullback, that means that there's underlying strength in the market, and we could be shooting higher in this wave three, maybe a four, and then a final five to complete a larger degree wave three. So if I go to a 3 hour chart, we can see a little bit better. So that's the leading diagonal. This is a clear ABC down. So it's a 3 wave pullback, has to be followed by a 5 wave move up. The wave count becomes invalid below 38.87, which is the bottom of wave two. And then another critical level, it's this level here at 40.81. So if we pull, under this, then you might have what's called an expanded flat possibly, or a running flat if the market goes into a one and then it pulls into an A, B, C into a wave two, and then we go back up higher. So, but for right now, things are looking good. We are above the trend line again, and the price action in Bitcoin, it's pretty bullish and pretty impulsive. So just wait for further developments. But basically, these are the critical levels. If we go below this bottom of wave two that I've secured for now, then look for a little bit more of a pullback, and then the main critical level, it's the one down here. So until then, I would be trading against these levels. Litecoin is moving sideways with a slightly bullish tone. For right now, we're just making a small consolidation, but on a 6 hour chart, we are monitoring 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we're having another 1, 2, which means that we have to explode higher pretty soon. And if that does not happen, I would start to be concerned. Critical levels here for this wave count is this 57.44 level. If we're pulling below that, that means that this wave two becomes invalid, and we need to pull it a little bit further down. It's probably a deeper correction. The next level of invalidation is this wave two pullback in blue, which is 43.29, which is a little bit lower. So, and then watch this trend line as well. But I would trade with a bullish tone, watch these critical levels, and let's keep looking towards the top side. Ethereum, kind of the same deal. You have the larger one from the lows in a 2, 1, 2 in a WXY. And I think we've completed wave one in green, and we are pulling back in two. We're not sure if we're securing this over here. Let me go on a 3 hour chart. If we are securing this wave two up here already on maybe C done, or we are pulling back. If we are pulling back, I watch this bottom of wave four at about 137 and see if we can shoot back up higher. But for right now, it's a WXY in two, trending with the bullish tone, and I'm looking for higher prices. Critical level is this level of 131.77. So if this level gives way, then the next one is your trend line, but I would be cautious on the bull side if this level gives away. So let's reconsider if that happens. Okay. Ripple, still trading with the bullish tone. I close my long here. I don't like this ABC. it doesn't look very impulsive. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and reconsider on that. Binance is surprisingly going to the top side, this trend line that we've been watching for a while. Offered a little bit of a resistance. We pulled back, but you can get very wrong by trying to call the top of wave three. So this could still be in development. The price is moving up from lower left to higher on the right. So it's bullish. There is nothing here to counter completion. So we passed the 32618 multiple of wave one into wave three. We got a little bit of a resistance up here, but for right now, there is nothing here that says we're done. So this wave three can be extremely extended. Eventually, we're going to get a pullback in wave four. We don't know when that's going to be, but the market will give you signs if that starts to happen. Okay, so but I wouldn't be. It's not a place where you want to pick up longs into Binance. You could be towards a terminal move here. So as a trading recommendation, I would stay away from Binance coin for right now until we're getting some sort of a pullback. All right, that's just a very quick update. I think we're about 6 minutes, almost 7. So if you like the content, give me some thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you.